Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by enabling the exact prerequisites. Turn on experimental gameplay and back up your world so you can test freely. Once done, install a smooth camera add-on or check the Pocket Edition cinematic options, because a steady camera is the core of cinematic shots. Make sure you reduce HUD and set render distance appropriately so you avoid clutter. Now hop into the world and switch to creative or spectator mode so you can move freely and plan each shot before recording. You now focus on motion. Fly in creative or spectator for frictionless movement because player collisions ruin smooth takes. Once in position, set clear waypoints, use command blocks or a camera path add-on to lock routes, and practice the path slowly. Adjust field of view to control depth and set speed and smoothing so movements feel cinematic rather than robotic. Make test passes while watching for jerk points and tweak until panning, dolly, and tracking shots feel natural and expressive. You finish by recording controlled takes. Keep clips short and purposeful so edits are simple. Once recorded, trim and stabilize in a mobile editor or transfer files to a PC for color grading and audio layering. This improves mood and clarity. If you hit problems like lag or dropped frames, reduce render distance, lower particles, close background apps, or enable performance mode. Finally, if camera paths stutter, re-record at slower speeds and ensure no entities collide with the camera. Route so shots remain seamless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.